We may start now.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
The Ahmadiya Muslim understanding of miracle is that there is never any violation of law of nature. So how did we...
Law of God.
Yes. Nature. The law of nature. So how did we come...
Law of God you should say instead of nature.
Yes, it's not
Then the question will be answered. Please.
How did we come to this standing? And are there any other Muslim scholars who hold the same view?
Whatever people of one age consider something to be a mu'jiza, it only means that till that time science has not yet advanced enough to understand the nature of that something which is called mu'jiza. And again it is called mu'jiza because Allah appoints someone, and the someone he appoints does not know science himself. So he cannot manipulate the laws of nature. As you said, the laws of nature, this is the meaning of laws of nature. The laws are created by Allah, of course, but at a given time, a person who claims to be from God, who claims to hear things from Allah, he speaks of things which the people of that age consider to be impossible. Yet he performs them, and always says that it is because of the power of Allah that I am doing it. And his personality is known all around, and all people can bear witness that he is not a scientist. He has not the least idea of how things work. Even he is shocked himself at what he is producing. So this is a mu'jiza. But there is no violation of laws of nature created by Allah, because it is Allah's power which creates mu'jiza. So why should Allah willfully violate his own laws which he himself created? So the philosophy of mu'jiza is the same as I just mentioned. People of a certain age do not understand the laws of nature, including the Prophet of God. Yet seemingly the laws of nature are broken. So from then on it becomes a legend. The later age may have advanced to understand, but the religious bigotry which does not understand, it continues to live in the past and calls it mu'jiza, mu'jiza, mu'jiza until they demand similar violation of nature from other prophets, which they never do. Only they can apparently violate a law when Allah so empowers them, not otherwise. Right?